Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to a brand new episode of the 360 Cricket House. Once again, I welcome Siddharth Suresh and Gautam Satish into the show. Welcome.
Hello everyone.
Hey everyone, hope you're all doing good.
Yeah. It's match 24. It is between Kings 11 Punjab versus Kolkata Knight Riders. It is KL Rahul taking on Dinesh Karthik. Now, let us see the players to watch out for in today's evening game. Starting with big man, Preras. Siddharth, your take on Andre Russell?
Yeah, well, we all know what Andre Russell can do. If he is in his mood, anything he swings is going out of the boundary for a six. This season, he's been off to a very bad start, I would say. I think we saw some glimpses of what he can do in that game in Dubai. But then since then, we haven't seen anything much from him. It's not. He's very restless at the crease. He's not giving time to himself to settle down and then play his shots. That's where he's been in trouble. But Russell is still very good. That's why I've gone with him. We know what he can do. We have seen him do it over the last two seasons. And this season, he's been very good with the ball at the death. He's been one of the most economical bowlers at the death. He's been taking wickets and dot balls in the final 4 overs, which is very, very valuable. That's why I've gone with Russell for today's game.
Thanks. Next, we have Nicholas Buran. Gautam, your take on Nicholas Buran?
Yeah, Nicholas Puran, an amazing talent. The ease with which he clears the boundary makes him so special. Though he's not one of the best, when it comes to builds, but the ease with which he clears the boundary that makes him special. And he's one of the players to watch out for in the coming years for the West Indies. Brilliant talent that was on display against Hyderabad. The way he cleared the boundary, 7 sixes and 5 fours. So I think he's turning out to be one of Punjab's bankable players. And the only thing is consistency. Can he consistently perform the way he did? He's definitely got the talent. And if he can also get the support from other Kings 11 batsmen, I think they can hope to start winning.
Okay. Next, we have Gautam's battle to watch out for, and that is between Rahul Tripathi versus Mohammad Shami. Gautam, your take on this battle?
Yeah, that's the battle to watch out for, according to me. Mohammad Shami versus Rahul Tripathi. Tripathi has been in good touch in the previous 2 games. So it'll be interesting to see how he faces Shami. I think undoubtedly Punjab's standout bowler so far. He's been on that purple cap list, and he's been doing all right with the new ball. But it's in the death overs that he's leaking quite a few runs. But with the new ball, he's been good. And I think if he can hit that good length, good line, I think he can test Tripathi. So yeah, that's why I've gone with Shami and Tripathi.
Next, we have Siddharth's battle to watch out for, and that is between the captain of Kings 11 Punjab, KL Rahul, versus the Aussie fast bowler, Pat Cummins. Siddharth, your take on this interesting and a nail-biting battle?
Yeah, well, I've gone with Rahul versus Pat Cummins. Rahul, star batsman for Punjab, has the orange cap. He's been in amazing touch, amazing form. Pat Cummins, on the other hand, he's been brilliant in the power play. He's been very economical. He's getting wickets. Star bowler for KKR. So it's going to be a blockbuster contest. Rahul is in his best form. I would say Cummins is also in one of his best forms. So it's going to be a mouth-watering contest. And also, it is also a battle of the Rahuls. We have Rahul Tripathi and KL Rahul playing today.
finally, it's time to make the prediction. Siddharth, is it going to be a no-brainer for you today?
Yes, well, I'm using Gautam's favorite word. It's a no-brainer. I'm going with Kolkata Knight Riders. I think they have found a rhythm to the way they are playing, and they have got the squad which I think they will go with for the rest of the season. They look calm, composed, and collected, and that's why I'm going with KKR for the win today.
You're muted.
Gautam, are you also going to back KKR?
Well, I have to go with KKR, unfortunately, because Punjab have been playing really bad cricket, I can say. So definitely KKR the favorites, and I don't want to lose points as well. So I'm backing KKR. Yeah.
Okay, so today both of you have chosen the same team. Gautam, are you sure? Are you going to back KKR?
Yes, I am.
Fine, thank you so much. That's it.
Thank
for
you,
today.
guys. Please hit the bell icon.
Yes, thank you.
Bye.